Hey, what are you doing? Here, let me get this out.
A biggest bumper.
Let me see what's inside.
What is?
Wow, look at all the blocks.
I got it.
Look at all the magnet blocks.
Please, no, no.
Uh-oh.
You dropped it, Daddy.
Sorry, I dropped it.
That's okay. You can pick it up.
Okay, I can pick it up.
Look, I made cross. Cross.
Make cross.
Help for the
I
screen.
I can make the sun face.
I can make the sunfish too.
Can you?
Yes,
Look at that.
I can make the sunfish.
Is that a sun face?
Yes. I'm making something special sunfish.
Special one.
Yeah. Sunshine. Sun. Sun shines in and more together go. There they go in the bigger go. I can't go in the Where Boiny?
And this is going here.
No, that is not Boiny, that's Mommy.
That's mommy. Okay, you do it then.
That one is Mommy, that one is Ren.
Okay.
And now this one is Boiny.
Okay.
No, this one is that one is Buju.
Buju.
Yes.
I'll get an idea.
What?
Let's do a hexbug maze.
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah. Look, F. Yeah. I mean the letter is.
What's that? F. Yeah, good job.
That looks like a. And you make this.
And
after the next one, is Q.
Q. Yes. Good job, Rennie. You did it.
Maybe Q got the tiny tail show. Q.
That looks like a gobbler eel too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a maze. And then we can do hexbugs.
No, you need to. Okay.
Bit more.
Okay.
And then maybe that's. Got it?
This way? Go this way?
Okay, you did it.
Let's do maze.
Next one is
maze.
I'm gonna put it here.
Let's do
you do
maze.
that.
I'm making a maze.
Okay. I'm gonna do like that.
I can do like that, and I can do like that. Then
Maybe like that. Like that.
And I could do it there.
You have to do on this side too.
And you go. You need to push it out.
Okay.
Daddy.
Okay. What about that side?
Don't do it to me.
How about that side?
Okay. Hey, you get to Mars. Can you get me for me?
Yeah.
You can have one.
Okay.
Give her that, like that, and now I can skiver it like, and I can skiver it like this, and I can skiver it like that.
Yeah, like that.
And I can see this.
Yeah, I can do it here. That looks good.
But the haircut would fit in.
Can't fit in there. Then take this one out. And
Put it right there.
oh, yes, yeah, there you go. And then this one can go here. Okay, is that ready?
Yes, but
Okay, where's the hexbug?
Right here. No, you need to open that and
Open this part.
yes.
Okay.
Open a little bit out.
It can be the winner.
Who's
Whoever
gonna
comes in there will not be winner. Okay. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, Daddy.
I think we have to do this over here. This
Daddy, I can do the zombie one, and you can do the normal one.
normal one.
Okay.
Okay. You have to start from here.
We'll do this. You can have all normal. And
Okay. And the winner can go in there. Okay. Okay. First one, I'm gonna be the big one.
first time I can be the giant
Oh,
biggest.
that one's.
Where did it go?
Go,
Oh
go,
my
go,
goodness.
Go,
One right there?
go, go, go,
Wow,
go.
my one is going. Oh,
Oh, where is it going? Is it gonna be the winner?
no.
Okay, I'm gonna be the
Let's
black one again.
move one. I'm moving it. Moving it, Daddy. Right there.
Go, 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 go,
Oh,
go,
my one is. Let's put it right there.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go. Oh!
You did it.
I fell down.
You know what? I'm gonna put everything in there.
I know what? I'm gonna put everything there too.
Yeah, let's do it. And then see who's gonna be the winner.
I can put that there.
Yeah.
Everybody going.
Everyone go in.
Oh, that one is not. Oh, that one is a winner already.
Okay. Go, Hexy, go. Oh, look, look, look.
Whoa!
Yay! That one did it.
Oh no, that one fell down.
That was the winner.
That one fell down. I put. Oh, the egg.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, fighting.
Fighting. Oh, that one.
That one's the winner.
That one's winning. Oh, that one too. Can you pass me? Thank you.
Got it. I got it. I got it.
Thank you. That one is upside down.
Oh my goodness. Let's put that one somewhere else. Let's put it there. Wait! It's coming!
Go, Hexy, go. Yeah, that one's winning too.
Oh, that move away.
Go, go, go.
Don't fight with everyone.
Push those ones.
This one.
Go, go, go.
This one.
There you go. This one is out.
Right there. I can step it right there.
No, can't do that.
I can put it right there. Oh,
Come on.
good move. There.
Go, go,
I put it right there.
go. Okay.
Wee.
There you go.
Two is coming.
Yeah.
There is one. The other one. Move away. Wait. Go away. Go away. Go away.
I need to change the battery for this one. This one's got.
Oh my goodness.
Almost out.
No. There's two more left.
Two more.
Two
You can
more
do it.
left.
You can do it.
There's a zombie one and no normal one.
Mhm.
What is this movie? Look.
Come on. You can do it. There you go. I did it.
And I am the last one.
Yay!
Yes!
You did it.
Baby,
You did that one too. How about we make a giant circle or giant arena?
Because we need to do outside mail.
Let's do outside maze then. Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Broke.
You break
Broken.
everything first. Yes.
Broke.
Okay.
Broke.
And you can put all the hex bug in there.
Okay, jump. Jump.
Okay. All right.
Let me see.
Okay, we start from here.
Broke. CO2. Two.
Okay, when we start from here,
Yes. Go right.
and then
Wait.
go up,
I'm going
up.
up
Mhm.
there and
Go up like that.
there.
Mhm. Yes. And then now go this way. Yep.
Need to be the tallest like you, Daddy, so I can go with you, Daddy, okay?
Mhm. Yes. Yeah, there you go. You did it.
I did it! Yeah!
Okay, let's go. Let's go. There's more.
Wait.
Okay, come this way now. Yep.
Oh,
you dropped it.
Lucky boat.
Yeah, this way. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Yeah, let's go that way now.
Let's go this way, then like you.
Mm-hmm.
And I need to go this way.
Mm-hmm.
We go this, like this.
And then, whoever comes out from here be the winner. Yeah?
Yes.
Is that
but,
good?
This is not a maze. This is the track.
Yeah, that's a track.
But you didn't make a maze.
No, this time we do the track and then we do the maze. Okay, let's do it. Where's the hexbug?
Here.
Okay.
Can I get it? Got it.
Okay, we have to start from here.
Okay. Let's see who's gonna get it. Let's use all of them.
Okay, let's do all of them.
Yeah. Oh, that one is moving. Oh no.
Go.
It's moving very fast.
Oh, yeah, that one's first. And that one too. Come on, Ren, come on, you can do it.
Let's see whoever be the winner like there, okay?
Okay. Go. Go. Oh, that one's done.
Oh no, look!
That one did it. That one did it too.
There's all of them coming.
Coming out?
Yeah.
How about you block it then, so it doesn't go out? If you block it, there you go.
No. Yay, block. We are blocking it.
Oh, everything's stuck there.
Hey, get out! Wow, make a bloody
Get out from here.
Oh, look, oh no. Look, it's, oh, that one is stuck too. Get out.
Get out. Oh, there you go.
Oh, look at that. Oh, there! Let's see who's gonna be the winner, Pooh. Snappy flap jump. Boink. Wee, swimming in the wall.
Go.
You want this? I can do that too. Wee.
look.
Oh! No!
Oh, they're stuck.
I gotta do this out. Yay. A maze. Maze outside maze.
Outside maze, okay. You need to put everything in here then.
I need a big.
You're gonna do the big one, okay?
Yeah. I need to do the big one too. And one more is coming to
One more.
You can't catch it. He hates.
I have to let it go from here.
Let it go. Let it go.
Go, Hexy, go.
Go.
Go, Hexy, go.
Go there.
Yes.
And let it go. Now let's do everything. Group everything.
Yeah, break everything.
What I can do? How? Wait.
Let's do another one. How about
Let's do
big one?
biggest
Can
one.
you do big one like that?
Let's do round and round.
Yes, let's do it. Like that?
Yes. Biggest bum, biggest bum, biggest bum.
Let's do the big one.
Biggest bum. Biggest bum. Biggest bum. Biggest bum. He's in his. We need to let these out. That is so I can build it.
Okay.
So put the pieces.
Okay. There you go.
Oh wait, there's the biggest one.
I
I'm
know.
doing it, Daddy.
That's the biggest one.
Ever seen?
Everything in there.
I ever see that
Mm-hmm.
before.
How many got left? Can I get one more, please?
Okay. Just one more.
Thank you. And yes,
Can I get one more?
yes, one in there.
Yes. Well, look at that giant biggest.
Can I get one more on this side?
Okay.
There you go.
Now I'm making one more. This
No, it will fall off. It will fall off from there. Okay, one more from here. And that's it.
Look, I got one.
How about you put it in the middle? Yeah, put it in the middle.
Okay. Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Like that. Okay.
Who's ever hit that?
Okay.
Who's the strongest to hit that?
Okay. Let's do it. Go.
He's going
Go.
around.
I know.
Everybody go.
Go, go, go. Look at the Hexbugs.
Everybody.
Everyone, go.
Who's gonna be the strongest? Everyone can hit this. Oh, he almost hit it.
He almost hit you.
Now it's this way turn. Oh no, now it fell down. Oh, it's skating. It's skating.
It's escaping.
Everywhere. Fix it? You fix it.
Okay, I want.
Wow!
Oh, that one's got light.
It's a red light. Ouchie! His stomach is hurt. So next time, I need to put this right over there so it's stuck. Da 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 da.
How about you put the penguins in there too? Uh-oh. Go, Hexy, go.
Get over the penguins.
Get all the penguins.
He's a bad guy. He's a bad. Let make a tree. Let make a tree. My stomach hurt. My stomach hurt.
I know what you can put in there. Yeah, you can put the balls in there.
Okay. Go, let's go, bouncing. There's another one. There's a pretty stacky. There's another one. It's all going.
Uh-oh.
The penguin's sliding.
Penguins sliding.
I need 2 penguins, please.
That's all the penguins I've got.
You got 3?
Mm-hmm.
3 penguins?
Yeah.
I know what you put in there.
What? Okay. Minion over there. Yes. And this one too.
There's another one.
Go, Hexy, go. You can.
There's a penguin sliding. Look, he's sliding.
There's one over there. Okay.
But I don't need this.
You want to do that? Okay. Oh, ball. Get it out.
Penguin's gonna hit the ball.
And the Xbox too.
Oh, oh boy!
Not again.
Hit the ball, hit the ball.